I'm Nathaniel, and today we are now going to do question F of MAT 2022. Now you might be thinking, so I have a knack for using weird mathematical concepts here, but today I'm just going to do something plain and simple. Now you might be thinking, given the quintuple angle formula, am I going to use Galois theory? Definitely not, because sine 5 theta, the theta is 72 degrees right now, so sine 5 theta is 0. Is 5 sine theta minus 20 sine cube theta plus 16 sine 5 theta. Now you might have learned in trigonometry class that it is illegal to take away sine theta from both sides, but this time we can, to get this after all. Then we are now going to solve the quadratic in terms of sine squared theta. We use the quadratic formula again, and you have 400 minus 320 over 32 equals to 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 8, and then sine theta equals to plus or minus the square root of 5 plus square root of 5 over 8. Now you might be thinking, which solution are we going to use? Now given that we know that sine 36 is less than sine 72, we can use the positive solution here. And since the angle is less than 180 degrees, we can take away this and we are left with option A. There we go. And see you in another MAT video.